Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 42. Variation which exhibits a wide range from one extreme to the other is A. Phenotypic variation, B. Discontinuous variation, C. Continuous variation, D. Genotypic variation. So we're asked for the variation which exhibits a wide range from one extreme to another. Okay, a wide range from one extreme to another. That means you can rank it from one extreme, exhibiting a range between that extreme to the other extreme. So what do you call this type of variation? Now option A, which is phenotypic variation, is it describes variation in physical appearance. Variation in physical appearance, e.g. variation in height, variation in skin color, etc. Now option B, which is discontinuous variation, describes features which shows no intermediate. Okay, no intermediate, so you either belong to one extreme or the other extreme. An example of this is tongue rolling ability, blood group, etc. Now option C is continuous variation. Now in continuous variation, it describes features that vary gradually from one extreme to another. That means you can rank it from one extreme and then progressively, from one extreme to the other. An example of such features includes height, weight, skin color, etc. Option D, genotypic variation, refers to variation as a result of difference in genes. And examples, you have eye color, hair color, etc. So the one which exhibits a wide range, which you can rank from one extreme to another, is option C, continuous variation. As we stated in its definition, features which vary gradually from one extreme to another. So let's take for example height. So in height, now if you have, let's say, 20 people in a room, you can rank those 20 people from the tallest to the shortest. Likewise, weight, you can rank from the heaviest to the lightest. Okay, so you can see that those features are continuous in nature. You can rank them from one extreme to the other. There are in-betweens in continuous variation, and that's why option C, continuous variation, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.